How we doing, everyone? Today is Thursday, July the 27th, 2023. Just doing the real estate tap in for today. The big news, obviously, is the federal funds rate hike went up 25 basis points, so that is pushing mortgage rates into the between 7.5%. And that's for people with, pretty good credit scores. So essentially it's just becoming, a little bit more expensive to buy a house. And, sellers are not selling still. And, there is a good amount of buyers. I mean, traditionally 7.5% interest rate is really not that bad, but coming from an environment of 2 and 3 and 4% interest rates, it's considerably more in terms of the payment. So, that's where we are right now. Don't know, what's gonna get the housing supply up. I don't think there's anything right now that is going to make people want to sell their homes, even though they are sitting on probably a good amount of equity in most cases, but we'll see what happens. So that's pretty much the big news for right now. Again, if you are somebody that's looking, you may want to get on or check with home builders, check in the areas that you're looking to move into, check with them, try to see what they're offering. They can be a little bit more flexible with rates and terms and things of that nature. So that's something that you might want to do. The commercial real estate, is starting to unravel a little bit. So if you are someone that, is invested in multifamily type of properties, or, maybe 5-6 plus units, mixed use, things of that nature. If you're looking to do something different, I would look into real estate note investing. If you were part of a syndication that was, doing things on the commercial side and those bigger type of properties or income producing properties, I would think about real estate notes. Real estate notes is a good place to be right now. You can maybe move some of your money there. For anybody else, if you have some investment capital, I would think about looking into real estate notes. We're seeing more non-performing notes come on the market. It's a great opportunity to, take over a note where the person is behind and either modify it or, take it to foreclosure and present it to the market. Especially, like I said, that there's a lot of properties that have equity. So that would be something you want to look into. If you do, go to my YouTube channel, Abundant Capital Group. There's a bunch of videos on there. We do cover non-performing notes. We are covering the note investing. We're doing a note investing series of videos. We're coming up on number 5 this Saturday, 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. If you want to join me, just go to my YouTube channel, Abundant Capital Group, on Saturday at 12:30 and join us for the training. You can see the other 4 trainings on there, but I think it's a really good time to look at notes and check out that opportunity, especially people that may have some money that they've made in the stock market and different investments. If you have a 401k, any type of retirement plan, look into notes. If you are someone that's sitting on a property, you may want to see about doing a HELOC, maybe a refinance. Well, not a refinance probably, but more of a HELOC loan, and see if you can leverage some of the equity. If you're planning on staying in that property, maybe you can leverage it into an investment that's going to cash flow. Join me at 12:30 today on my Instagram Live at Abundant Capital Group. We'll be talking more about real estate. See you then.